In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Slides to YouTube. We'll start in your browser by opening Google Slides. On the homepage, look for the Recent section and click your presentation so it opens in the editor. Give the slides a quick scan to confirm the order, text, and images look right. If your deck already includes animations, slide timings, or embedded audio, keep in mind those can carry over to video depending on your export settings. Next, move to the top left and open the File menu. In that menu, choose Convert to Video. This prepares your deck for export, turning each slide into a sequence that can be played as a standard video. When prompted, select Import All Slides so nothing gets left out. This option ensures the entire presentation is included rather than a single slide or a manual selection. With the conversion set, go back to the File menu, choose Download, and then pick MP4. MP4 is widely compatible and is the preferred format for YouTube. At this point, you may see options like resolution or per slide duration. Higher resolution looks sharper but creates larger files, while longer durations give viewers more time on each slide. Name the file clearly and save it somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated video folder. Allow the download to finish before moving on. Large presentations can take a moment to render and save. Now head to your YouTube channel in a new tab. Once you're on your channel dashboard, look for the Create button, usually near the top. Click Create, then proceed to upload your file. You can drag the MP4 into the upload window or browse to the location where you saved it. Keep the tab open while the upload and processing complete. The progress indicator will let you know when it's ready. YouTube will guide you through any on-screen prompts. If you see processing take longer, that's normal for higher resolution videos. That's it. You opened your deck in Google Slides, converted and downloaded it as an MP4, and uploaded the finished video to your YouTube channel. If you ever need to update the presentation, repeat the same steps to generate a fresh video file. Thanks for watching and great job turning your slides into a shareable YouTube video.